let's do science! Hello, science stars! Today, we're making invisible electricity dance. This balloon looks ordinary, but watch what happens. Will the paper jump? Not yet. Today we are doing a fun experiment. Rub, rub, rub. We're building static electricity. My hair is standing up. How silly. Look, they're flying. Static electricity pulls lightweight things up, up, up. Your turn. Can you yell static power on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Ribbons, feathers, tissue paper. I'm a human refrigerator magnet. Ha!
Wiki-dur?
Rubber stops static. Time for the emergency off. Well, at least I found my favorite striped sock.
Beep boop cha-cha-cha! Woo!
Keep wondering, science stars. Bye-bye.
Dr. Fizz and Bolt!